Hello friends, welcome to the Teaching Aptitude MCQ series for set examination, and this is episode 5. You can watch previous episode at our channel. And rules of the presentation are simple. Pause the video when question appears on your screen and try to answer on your own. I will be answering the question there itself, and please write down your score in comment section if possible. So to start with our first question, identify the incorrect pair of the media and its performance indicator from the following. So option A is newspaper and its performance indicator is circulation. Option B is cinema and its performance indicator is box office. And option C is television and its performance indicator is TVT. And option D is the radio and its performance indicator given is ROD. So friends, we can easily eliminate the first and A and B options here, as we know that performance indicator for newspaper is circulation. We know that this is a very big circulated newspaper like the Hindu and Times of India. And for in case of B, any cinema's box office, its performance indicator, as we say ki box office hit, box office flop. And we have confusion between C and D. Here see television. For television we generally use the TRP of this channel has increased, TRP of that program has gone down. So this way we use, but friend, don't confuse here. The wrong answer is radio, ROD, because for radio it is PUR, person using radio is the performance indicator, and for television the TVT stand for television viewership plus 1000. It has replaced the TRP rating. So friends, don't get confused. The answer here is radio, that is ROD is not the performance indicator, it is PUR. Okay, moving on to our next question. Which of the following is the primary source of information? So here options are A research review, option B is a recently written textbook, option C is a research article published in a standard journal, and option D is a multi-author treatise published in year 2015. So friends, primary information is something which is it should be a primary. Here if you see four options, you see A, B and D options. Here you see a research review is written which is a collection of original research, multiple research papers, and a textbook is also written based on the different sources of information. That is not a primary source. And multi-author treatise published are also a multi-author material is collected. But as a research article is a original work, means a person has performed it. So our answer, the primary source among these four is option C, that is a research article published in the standard journal. Hope friends you have answered it correctly. Okay, moving on to our next question. In the context of FM radio, the abbreviation FM stands for frequency manipulation, frequency modulation, fidelity modifier, fidelity modulation. So friends, the option B is the correct here. The FM stands for frequency modulation. Okay, moving on to our next question. For a teacher, what is the easiest and quickest location of getting the students' feedback in the classroom situation? Okay, so friends, four options here are a body language of the student, a question asked by a student, C, a quality of class notes taken by them, D, assignments submitted by them on the topic. So friends, as if you read this question twice, you will easily able to answer the quickest and easiest method they have asked. So friends, for that the quickest method will be what is the body language of the students. So that is the answer here. Now moving on to the next question. So friends, which of the following is not a linguistic skills? Option A is speaking, option B is reading, option C is thinking, and option D is writing. Friends, as we all know, generally we say I read, write and speak Hindi or English or Tamil or Malayalam or any of the language, but generally we never say that I think Malayalam, or I think Telugu, or I think any of the languages. So the option here is thinking. So thinking is not an linguistic skills. So friends, these were our 5 MCQs for the day. If you have liked this video, friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel Global Online University, and please suggest your friend for our channel. Okay, thank you friends. Thank you.